students, good morning. Today is Wednesday, 5th August. Today we are going to learn about articles. Students, there are three articles: a, an and the. So first, here a, an and the are called the articles. A and an are called the indefinite articles. The is called the definite article. Articles are used with nouns. Last time we learned about nouns. So first, our article is A. A means 1. A is placed before a countable noun in the singular number that begins with a consonant sound. Students, here some examples are given. Look at here. You see the one book. So, before book, A is given. So, a book. Because of book is singular. So, we put A before book. Then pen. A pen. A girl. A map. A tiger. A chair. A doll. A van. A yak. Students, we use A before 1 rupee note or uniform. Although they begin with a vowel, it is because they are pronounced with a consonant sound. Then after A, second article is an. An. An also means 1. An is placed before a countable noun in the singular number that begins with a vowel sound. Look at these pictures. First picture is apple. So apple starts from vowel. So we put before apple an apple. Then orange. Orange also starts with vowel O. So we put an before orange. Then egg. See, egg is also starts from vowel E. So we put here an. As like this, an arrow, an igloo, an ice cream, an owl, an umbrella, an urn, an aeroplane, an engine, an iron. Then the H in our and honest is silent. Our is pronounced as our. O-U-R, our. And honest as O-N-E-S-T, honest. So, we use an before them. We wait for a bus for an hour. So, students, here before our an is used. Our gardener is an honest man. So, students, here before honest an is used. And our third and last article is the. So, we use a or an when we mean any person or thing. We use the when we mean a particular person or thing. Take a book, any book. Take the book lying on the table, a particular book. A woman is standing near the door, any woman. The woman in a green sari is my mother. Students, look at this sentence. Take a book. Here the meaning is take any book. So we write here before book A. Or look at this sentence, take the book lying on the table, means taking the book which is lie on the table. So we point the particular book. So we write here the. As like this, a woman is standing near the door, means any woman which is standing near the door. So we write here A. Then the woman in a green sari is my mother. So here the woman which is wearing green sari is my mother. So we write here the. After this, when we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we use a or an. But when we speak of it again, we use the. Once there was a dog. One day, the dog was very hungry. So students, here first time we told about dog, so we use here a. And then after once again we told about dog, so we use here the. That means once there was a dog, one day the dog was very hungry. Then they have a car. The car is red in color. So students, here first we told about the car, we use a. And after this once again we told about car, so we use here the. We use the with the following also. First, the name of rivers, seas, oceans and mountain ranges. For example, the Ganga, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean and the Himalayas. The names of well-known buildings also. That means the Red Fort, the Victoria Memorial. Also, the names of holy books and newspapers. The Bible, the Indian Express, the Ramayana. Then the names of trains, ships, aeroplanes, etc. The Rajdhani Express, the Shatabdi Express. The names of some countries like the USA, the UK, the UAE. We use the with the following also. Here you will see the earth picture is given, and here the earth, the moon, the sky and the sun. After this, exercise is given. So write a or an in the blanks. So students, here some pictures are given, and so students, you should recognize that which article is put in front of these words. So first, dog. So which article is put here? A dog. So you should write here a. It means a dog. After this, orange. So students, here orange starts from O, and O is oval. So we write here an, because in front of oval we write the article an. After this, man. So students, you write here a man. After this, ox. Here also the word starts from O. O is oval. So you write here an ox. After this, old man. So student, it is also starts from oval. So you should write here an. Then igloo. Igloo is also start from oval. So you should write here an. Then girl. Girl, a girl. Then mango. A mango. Okay students. So students, you should write this exercise in your grammar notebook. Okay. After this, we take a second question. Second question is fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Students, see the first. Send for ... doctor please. So students, here you write the article send for a doctor please. Second, always help a poor man. Is it the good painting? Fourth, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. Fifth, the Hindus worship in a temple. Mona works in an office. What a lovely dress it is. Then my father reads the Hindustan Times. The Ganga is a holy river. The Quran is a holy book of the Muslims. An ostrich is the large bird. Look at the sky. Mr. Khanna has a daughter. The sun and the moon shine in the sky. An umbrella is a useful thing. The Himalayas are in Nepal. Students, you also write this question in your grammar notebook. Okay, students? Students, you open your English textbook and open the page number 6. Here, we learn about the articles. First, read these sentences. Mowgli is a boy and Balu is a bear. The monkeys saw an oak tree. A and an are used before singular nouns. They refer to one of something. A is used before nouns that begins with consonant sounds. Here some examples are given. A ball, a mango, a cat. An is used before nouns that begin with vowel sound. Here examples are given. An ant, an egg, and an umbrella. Then here the question is given. Work in pairs. Look at the clues and ask and answer these questions with your partner. First is, what does Mittal have for breakfast? Then the answer is given. Mittal has an egg for breakfast. And here egg picture is given. Second question is, what does Annu have for breakfast? So the answer of this question is, Annu have an apple for breakfast. Students, you write this question in your grammar notebook and write their answers also. Okay, students? We use the when we talk about a person or thing about whom or which we have already spoken. So, my sister baked a cake. The cake was very tasty. Second, we play with a kitten. The kitten was white and grey. We also use the when it is clear which person or thing we are talking about. He lives in an old house near the post office. After this, on page number 7, students, here on page number 7, question is given. Use a, an or the to complete these sentences. Here students, you see the 5 questions are given. And first one, Raj buys an apple. The apple is red and juicy. So students, you fill these blank with the articles, correct articles, and you should write this question in your grammar notebook. After this, words in communication. Read these sentences. Balu lives in the jungle. The monkeys live in the trees. Do you know where these animals live? Choose your answers from the box. Students, here answers are given. You should choose the correct answer for the correct ones. First, I am a spider. I live in dot. So students, which is this picture? So this is the picture of web. So you write here the word web which is given above. So second, I am a bee. I live in a dot dot. So you choose the correct word for this picture from these choices. Also you write the answers of these three, and you should write this activity in also your English notebook.